All right, so for today's assignment, we're going to go into classwork and we're going to come here where we have the car amortization table and open up that Google Sheet. So it should look something like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to look up a car that you would like to buy. So in this example, I'm going to look up a Honda Civic. So I'm going to look for a Civic. LX, and we got one right here at 21,605. So I'm going to put up the price of the car, 21,605. We're going to come down here, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a chart of the payments that we need to make over 4 years. So to do this, we're going to start off under payment where we have equals PMT. Now what we want to do is we need to start off with a dollar sign. We're going to highlight, or actually, go ahead and start off by highlighting B4, which is 6, and then divided that by 12. And we're going to take 4, and we're going to multiply that by 12. So B2 times B3. To get the star, you have to do Shift 8. Finally, we're going to do comma, and we're going to highlight the price of the car. So when we press Enter, we should end up with a payment amount. In this case, I have 507. So another thing that we need to do, and we're going to go ahead and double click, we need to make sure to put dollar signs on each side of the B's. Like that. I'm going to put dollar signs wherever we see a letter. And we need to do that because we need to be able to extend this, and our numbers that we have here are not going to change, and that's what the dollar signs do. They keep the numbers the same. So let's go ahead and go into the principal, and we're going to use PPMT. So for this one, we're going to have, again, the interest rate. We're going to divide it by 12. Now this time we're going to highlight the payment number, which is A7, comma. We're going to again multiply B2, which is 4, by 12, which is B3. And we're going to highlight the price of the car. And in this case, it's $399.37. So again, come back here and make sure to put those dollar signs. The only one that will not have dollar signs is A. All the other ones, B, will include dollar signs. And again, it'll make sense why later. And finally, we're going to calculate the interest rate. So IPMT. It's going to use the same arguments that we did in the principal. So I'm going to highlight the 6% and divide it by 12. I'm going to take B2 and multiply that by B3. Actually, before that, we need to highlight the payment number. And then again, B2 times B3. And then the price of the car, which is 108. And then that gives us the interest rate of 108. These two together should be equal to our payment number of 507, which is down here. We'll continue this in the next video.